Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with illuminated star in the grille, which lights up at night. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, an anthracite poplar wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Also included is our parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled cup holders. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 17,652 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.